Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. This month is the month of Amigurumi. I'll be sharing some mini and quick crochet projects that are fun and easy to make. Today we're making a cute little sun design. You can mix and match your favorite colors to create your own unique sunshine. This is a fun and cheerful project that's perfect for using up leftover yarn. Here are the tools and materials you'll need for this video. I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn. You'll also need a 2.5mm crochet hook or any hook that matches your yarn size, a yarn needle, a pair of scissors, a stuffing tool with some stuffing, and a stitch marker if needed. Alright, let's get everything ready and start with the inner part of the sun. Pick your favorite color and make a magic ring. Then work 6 single crochet into the ring. Once done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring and make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 1, start with a chain. You can pull the chain tighter to make the center look neater and more compact. Then work your first stitch into the same stitch where you made the slip stitch. Work an increase in every stitch to the end. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch to make it easier to find when closing the round. By the end of the round, you will have 12 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. For round 2, start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet, followed by 1 increase. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch to make it easier to find when closing the round. Repeat this sequence a total of 6 times. By the end of the round, you will have 18 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 3, start with a chain, then work 1 increase. Followed by 2 single crochet. Repeat this sequence a total of 6 times. By the end of the round, you will have 24 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For rounds 4 to 5, continue following the increase pattern. Once finished, your piece should look like this. Here's a little tip. You can make the last slip stitch look invisible. Instead of making a slip stitch with your hook, use a yarn needle to weave through the second stitch of the round. Then insert it back into the last stitch to create a cleaner and neater finish. Make another piece using the same pattern. Next, let's crochet the orange part. Place the 2 pieces together with the front sides facing outward. You can use stitch markers to help secure both pieces in place while crocheting. For round 6, pick up the orange yarn and insert your hook through all loops of both pieces to attach the yarn with a knot. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch around, crocheting through both pieces together to join them. Before closing the opening, remember to fill the inside with polyester fiber fill to make the sun soft and puffy. Once you reach the end of the round, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 7, start with a chain. Then work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 double crochet. Then chain 2. Skip the first chain, Insert your hook into the back bump of the second chain and work 1 single crochet. Then work 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence a total of 12 times to create the sun rays. Once finished, use a yarn needle to weave through the second stitch, then back into the last stitch to create an invisible finish for the round. Hide the remaining yarn ends neatly inside. Then embroider the facial features in any expression you like. You can give your son a happy smile, a sleepy face, or even a cute blushing look. Just let your creativity shine and make it your own. And that's it! Your cute little sun is complete. I hope you enjoyed making this cheerful project with me. This sun is perfect for using leftover yarn and adding a bright, happy touch to your collection. Thank you so much for watching and crocheting along with me. Happy crocheting, and see you soon in the next video.